Open your task manager right now. Just because everything looks normal doesn't mean your PC is clean. First, hackers use a trick called name spoofing. They steal icons from safe programs and rename their virus using special look-alike characters to blend in. To spot this, go to the Details tab in Task Manager. Legitimate programs show accurate file sizes and descriptions, while spoofed ones usually won't pop up if you manually type and search for them in the list. Second, they use process injection. Instead of running its own file, the malware injects a malicious DLL directly into a trusted running process like Explorer.exe. Task Manager is completely blind to this. To catch it, ditch Task Manager and open an advanced tool like Process Hacker. Open the Process properties, go to the Modules tab, and scan for unrecognized or untrusted DLL files running inside the memory. Third is Process Hollowing. A hacker launches a legitimate app like Notepad in a frozen state, completely wipes its internal code, and replaces it with the virus. To find this, use Process Hacker to check the app's memory tab. Look for sections marked RWX, read, write, and execute. Legitimate apps almost never allow code to modify itself like this. You can even double-click the memory strings to uncover the hidden malicious text.